Hi, I'm Roger Odoardi, a loan officer with Blue Water Mortgage. So you're wondering if you can get a mortgage on more than one property. When taking on this question, the first thing you have to think about is understanding the classifications of occupancy with regards to the home that you're going to be financing. So the three classifications of occupancy with your mortgage application, here's how to understand them. First one is your primary residence. That's where you sleep every night, you get up, you go to work. That's your primary residence. The next one is going to be a second home slash vacation home. So this is going to be a property you use on the weekends, you use in the winters, you use in the summers. It's your own property. There's no renters in there. Most people are going to call it second home or vacation home. So that's occupancy class number two. The third occupancy class is going to be investment property. That's a property that you put a renter in, and you're going to be using that rent in the underwriting work to use as the income. So when you're talking about, can I finance more than one property? First, you have to determine which of these it's going to be. You can only have one primary residence. You can have multiple second homes as long as the second homes are not in the same area where it might look like you're using an investment property and masking it as a second home. You always want to be honest on your mortgage applications. You always want to tell what you're actually going to be doing. And so if you have a second home, say in a ski area, and you wanted to buy another property there to rent it out, you wouldn't be able to classify that second one as a second home or vacation home. That would be an investment property because you're going to rent it. Now, it is okay, say you're someone who lives in New England and you're going to buy a home in Florida, and that's where you're going to live in the winter, and in the summer you're going to live in New England. But then you might also have another home in California that you're going to live at, during the spring. In that situation, you can have a primary residence, which might be the New England home. You have your summer home, which is in Florida, and then you have your spring home, which might be in California. In that situation, the lenders should be fine with identifying the application for Florida or California as second home. So there you've got multiple properties. Now, another case that'll come up is someone who has a primary residence in North Carolina and they want to buy investment properties to rent. So typically you're going to be able to finance up to 10 properties within the Fannie Mae Freddie Mac system that are investment properties. So hopefully this helps you understand if you can finance multiple properties within the Fannie Mae Freddie Mac system. The short answer is yes, but you have to pay attention to the occupancy in the scenario, and help from a smart mortgage lender or broker will really help you be able to do that. To contact us here at Blue Water Mortgage, please visit us at bluewatermtg.com.